Nice short trades today, taking the stock index portfolio 16 to a brand new equity peak. Let's look at those trades on the day. Let's go over the results. You see the stock index portfolio 16 was up 4,065. The Blitz 5 was up 3,260. The combination of those was up 73.25 per E-mini. These are hypothetical results. We did not trade today as we are researching into the end of the year, and it's validating to see these new equity peaks in the stock index portfolio 16. And we continue to research the best setups for 2023. And as of January the 2nd, this stock index portfolio 16 without the Blitz 5 is the preferred setup. Let's go over the trades on the day. The stock index portfolio 16 includes these first two workspaces. The Cobra 3 with the new $1,100 profit target is up on the day. These are two E-minis plus 2150. Tick fader up down minus 2150. Took the long trade on the day. The only strategy to go long. And then Nasdaq to count trend got short here. Massive intraday rally. Constant. The prop up that we talk about continues. Not really many lower lows after about noon Eastern time. So the market tried to rally, then rolled over towards the lows. Did count trend, had a second trade, brought it back to minus 100 or minus 50 per E-mini. Cobra 3 stopped out on this counter trend rally, and Tick Pulse stopped out on this counter trend rally. This is the diversity of setups. This is the diversity of strategies that we have. You can see some strategies have tighter stops. They get in at different times. But the tick reversal held until the end of the day, plus 1,200 per E-mini. This is the 2023 version. The 2022 version, plus 1,200 per E-mini. And then plus 2,600 on tick wave. And, just holding through these volatile equity curve, volatile time periods is what you have to do sometimes because it's difficult to call every turning point in the market. And so you're up on the day, and then you're down on the day, and then you end up on the day. And so that is the way we trade a lot of our strategies. We get in, we put in a reasonable stop loss, and then we hold it till the end of the day. And then the volatility that happens during the day, you have to if you try to micromanage it, you end up reducing your average trade profit or strangling the strategy and optimizing it. So you optimize it or strangle it with the average trade profit. So these three strategies did well. These three strategies were stopped out. These 10 strategies and these 6 strategies are the stock index portfolio 16. The Blitz 5 includes these 5 strategies. You see VTNQ up on the day a little bit, up 1,100 per E-mini, and then Tick Retracer up about 2,130 per E-mini. So those are the trades on the day. These are the results. We're looking at a Santa Claus crash as we go into the end of the year. A fairly smooth downtrend. I thought this one was going to try to reverse the entire day. Continue to get the threats of reversals even as the market continues to move down. The Nasdaq is not far from the lows on the year. The S&P has a little further to go. Let's look at the daily charts. So these are the daily charts on the year. You see the Nasdaq futures 24-hour session. This is a weekly chart. It looks like it is 11,782.25. The low is 11,597. Less than 200 points from the lows on the year on the Nasdaq. S&P, the lows on the year are right at 35, 33. So another 280 points to take those out. So we'll see if that happens. But the S&P, we only have 3 trading days left. So we have we only have 2 trading days left on the year. So it's likely that the Nasdaq could take out the lows on the year. Not so sure that the S&P will. Still above the June 16th lows, and so the market has been pretty much propped up since June 16th. And so that's the daily chart analysis. And those are the trades on the day. Once again, hitting equity peaks in the stock index portfolio 16 as we go into the end of the year on this fairly smooth sell-off and a Santa Claus crash. We said yesterday the market was propped up, and so we got the follow-through selling today. It was propped up once again this afternoon. You can see that in the short-term time frame. Not trading much slower than the noontime lows as a counter-trend rally was attempted, only to close down at the lows on the Nasdaq S&P was, or this is the S&P, the Nasdaq. Let's take a look at that. Same thing. There were the noontime lows, counter-trend rally, rolls over to those lows, but sits there. Closes a little above those noontime lows on the Nasdaq. So VIX was up just a little bit. VIX is very confusing right now as well. So it should be an interesting final 2 days on the year. See if the market will, have some resolution into all the propping, or if that will take place in the new year. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.